For today's Monday makeup lesson, we're going a little bit more casual. I'm going to show you how to create one of my favorite looks when I'm feeling a little bit tired. So this look makes your eyes a little bit bigger and brighter. And right now I'm feeling a little run down. So I thought this would be a great opportunity to feed two birds with one stone and show you how to create this eye-opening eye makeup look. If you're new to the Makeup Chair channel and you love tutorials, then make sure you are subscribed. It's totally free. And if you're already subscribed, then thank you so much. Welcome back. And let's get started with this look. So as always, the first thing that we do is apply an eyeshadow primer. So this is going to give our eyeshadow something to hold on to, create a blank canvas for us to work on. And I would recommend using a tinted one for this particular look. So I've used the Urban Decay Primer Potion. The first shade that we're going to use is a satin shade. Should be at least one shade lighter than your skin tone. And I'm going to start by applying this on the inner corner of the eye. So right in that inner corner and blending up and out. We're going to focus on a few different areas for this. Now I'm going to be using a brush, but you can use your fingertips. So we're going to focus on the inner corner. And I also like to bring it like almost right into the nose area, inner corner of my eye. Also going to apply this on the arch of the brow. So start in the arch and blend across. And then we're also going to focus on the lower lid as well, right in the center. So those are our main areas that we're going to highlight. I'm then going to take a light pencil. So this should match your skin tone or be a little bit lighter, and just apply this on the inner part of the lower waterline. However, we're going to focus mostly on the center point. So really focus on the center and then just kind of sweep it out and in. We're then going to do what we always do, take a matte shade, at least one shade darker than our skin tone, and apply this into the crease of the eye. You want to make sure you're using a really good blending brush for this because it will make the whole process so much easier. The crease of the eye is where the eye creases into the eye shape, which is what we always say every week. It's basically the area above the lid that we want to blend upwards towards the brow. Now keep your hand quite low when you're starting off your blend. Then you can very softly raise your hand up, bring it a little bit higher, and this will make sure to push down the product. So when we're applying it, we want to hit this area here, particularly if you're tired. My hood tends to drop a little bit more when I'm tired. So to disguise that, I always start by using a low hand and then a high hand to create a soft, gentle blend, which is going to camouflage that hoodedness. And you should end up with something that looks like this. Next, I'm going to take a little bit of gel liner on a angled brush. This is actually the brush that I used on my brows today. And I'm going to coat the outer third of the lid, or outer half of the lid, keeping it really close to the lash line. And we're not winging it out, but of course you can do that if you prefer. I just like to coat the outer half. Now I'm going to take a matte plum shade. So you can use any shade depending on your undertone and your eye color. Navy will look great with this as well. But I'm going to be using this plum shade and kind of going over the line that we've applied and kind of blurring the edges. And this creates that soft, gentle blur. I'm also going to do the same thing underneath the eyes. So I'm going to focus on the outer and inner corner and leave that center pretty much free because this is going to create the illusion of a brighter, more awake eye. So focus on the outer half and the inner half, making sure to softly sweep them together, but try not to get too much product on the center of the lower lash line. This is going to elongate the eyes, making them appear bigger and more awake and brighter. Now when it comes to mascara, what I'm going to do to create that kind of opened eye look is I'm going to sweep the mascara out, down, and then out again. You're kind of pulling the lashes outwards, spraying them outwards. It's going to open up the eyes a little bit more. And you can also do this on the upper lashes as well. Then for my favorite bit, some lashes. So these are the baby doll lashes. I love these lashes. One of the girls in Penny's recommended them to me, and I don't think she knows I do videos or anything, but in case she's watching, thank you so much for the recommendation. They're very soft and lightweight, which is what I really want. And they're also not too flared outwards. So you don't want to use lashes that are too heavy on the outer third because it will just kind of elongate the eye, which is not what we want to do. We want to lift the eye from the center upwards. So apply some lashes that are even the whole way across, or just a very soft fade. And that is the finished look. I hope that you guys enjoyed this one. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. I don't know what it is about this eye makeup look, but it makes me feel more awake. I guess because I look more awake, so I feel more awake. Might be just an illusion that my brain kind of conjures up, I'm not sure. But I hope you will try this out, and I'd love to hear if you have any tips on how to feel a little bit more awake. I hope that you're having a great day, and if you're not, I hope tomorrow's a lot better for you and that you're staying safe and staying well. Be kind to yourself, and I will see you next Monday. But I am going to be in the comment section, so I'll try and get back to as many people as I can. But I'll see you next week.